Stuck with a train ticket you can't use? Don't stress, getting a refund on Trainline is easier than you think. Let's jump right into it. First, fire up the Trainline app on your phone or head to the Trainline website on your computer and log into your account. You'll need to access the My Tickets section. Once you're in My Tickets, find the specific journey you want to refund. Tap or click on the ticket to see its details. Look for a button that says either refund or change. The exact wording might vary depending on your ticket type, but either will lead you down the refund path. If there's no refund button, it's likely your ticket isn't refundable. You will see the refund options. This screen will show you the amount you can get back, if any, and any refund fees associated with the refund. Make sure you are okay with the refund amount before proceeding. If you're happy with the refund details, hit the Confirm Refund button. You will usually receive a confirmation email and it usually takes around 57 business days to be refunded. Now that wasn't so bad, was it?